Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Educational Journey, and we will see some required documents for the master's and PhD as well as the bachelor's degree programs for the Stipendium Hungarian Scholarship Program. So what we know about Stipendium Hungarian Scholarship Program, that it is fully funded by the Hungarian government, and then there are three programs or study levels available: bachelor's, master's and PhD degree programs. And you will have your monthly stipend along with your tuition fees, and then you have some amount for your residence, or you will get the dormitory as well. So this scholarship offers the master's, PhD and bachelor's degree programs. So for this we will see that what are the list of documents, or what documents you need to prepare for the application for each category. So let's move on to the given PDF files or given guideline files by the Stipendium Hungarian authorities. So we will move on to the PDF file directly. And so there is a difference for the master's, bachelor's and master's, and then the PhD. Most of the documents for the bachelor's and master's are same, and there is a slight difference for the PhD applicants. So first we will go for the all applicants, or these are only for the bachelor's and master's documents. Other than these documents, you do not need to prepare any document for bachelor or master's degree program. Then we will move on to the PhD programs, and then what are the required documents. So अगर ये वीडियो थोड़ी सी लंबी हो जाए, लेंथी हो जाए, तो इसको आराम से देखिए ताकि आपको अच्छे तरीके से पता चल जाए कि what documents you need to prepare, कौन से documents आपको prepare करने हैं. ठीक है. First of all, 15th January 2022 is the last date to apply to submit your online applications, and there is no offline application process. या आपको कोई भी you do not have to submit any hard copies to any authorities at the first level. तो आपको HEC या Stipendium Hungarian Scholarship Program जो है अथॉरिटी, उसको कोई भी हार्ड फॉर्म में नहीं भेजनी. आपको डायरेक्टली अप्लाई करना है, आपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स अपलोड करने हैं. यू विल अपलोड डॉक्यूमेंट्स टू योर portal, and then you will submit your application. तो सबसे पहले you have applications for bachelor's and master's or one tiers or non-degree programs and postgraduate specialist training, and these are the documents. So these documents are first of all online application form. There is one online application form you will fill out when you will create your profile. I will show you how to create in the coming videos. Because I was not making videos that you guys were like reading about it, and then you can have lots of questions in mind already. Then I will start making videos and then preparing the things and going to the final stages. So I thought it is convenient that आप लोग पहले थोड़ी सी खुद भी सर्च कर लें, रिसर्च कर लें, चीज़ों को समझने की कोशिश करें. फिर जो आपके डाउट्स होंगे, then you will watch my videos and you will clear your doubts from these videos. तो सबसे पहले जो आपका एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म है वो आपने इंग्लिश में फिल करना है. आपको एक अपना फोटोग्राफ देना है. एंड हु अप्लाई फॉर पार्शियल एक्सचेंज स्टडीज मस्ट क्लियर स्टेट द लेंथ and start date. So for Pakistani student, you do not have any exchange program, or mostly people are not applying for the exchange program, so we will ignore this. And required to be uploaded, all applicants. So for masters, PhD and bachelors, you have to fill this form online. देन मोटिवेशन लेटर, दिस इज आल्सो ये भी पीएचडी के लिए भी है और बैचलर और मास्टर्स के लिए, तो सब एप्लीकेंट्स के लिए मोटिवेशन लेटर होगा. हाउ टू राइट दिस मोटिवेशन लेटर? यू कैन गो टू KGSP videos and you can watch your personal statement. That is also kind of motivation letter. I will give you a separate video as well, that how you can write better this motivation letter, or how you can improve your motivation letter. तो मैं आपको एक वीडियो सेपरेट भी दे दूंगा जिसके अंदर आपको मोटिवेशन लेटर लिखने का कंप्लीट प्रोसेस बता दूंगा. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू मेक इट वेरी लेट, सूनर आई विल अपलोड सम वीडियोस अबाउट दिस. तो आपको वीडियोस मिल जाएंगी. एक पेज मिनिमम लिखना है, मैक्सिमम 2 पेजेस का होना चाहिए फॉर बैचलर्स और इवन मास्टर्स, बिकॉज इससे ज़्यादा मोटिवेशन लेटर को खींचना या you should not drag it to 3 pages or 4 pages. Motivation letter is kind of your you can say cover letter, and it is straightforward, your motivation for the program and why you are interested in Hungary and why this scholarship program is important to you, like this kind of questions you will answer. Then you have to prove, you provide proof of language proficiency. So you need proof of proficiency or language proficiency for the Pakistani students or Indian students. You can provide a English proficiency letter from your high school or college if you are applying for the bachelor's degree program, and if you are applying for the master's or PhD, आपको you can get it from your university department. So I will give you the sample as well for the proof of language proficiency. If you have IELTS, then it is better, and also you should check to the each program that what are the requirements for the language proficiency. If it is mandatory to provide IELTS score, then you should have this, and otherwise you can search any other university and you can provide the English proficiency certificate from your college or school or university for the bachelor's, master's and PhD program. Then you have school certificates and their translation. This translation part Pakistani students should ignore because our degrees and all certificates are written in English. हमारे जो certificates होते हैं, डिग्री होती है, वो सब इंग्लिश में होता है, तो पाकिस्तानी स्टूडेंट्स को इसके बारे में वरी होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. For Indian students, maybe there are some students or boards, they have documents in other languages, so you should get the translation of this language, or you should get English certificate from your board or your university, तो that will help you. तो यहाँ पे school certificate mean degree. You should have, अगर आपके अपने अभी bachelor's के लिए apply करना, you are going to apply for the bachelor, you should have degree or sanad for the matric and FSC or 12th grade degree. For the master's and PhD degree program, you should have your degree, bachelor's degree, or you should have your master's degree for your PhD. This school certificate means degree, right? You can read further details about it. Then transcript or records. What is transcript? Transcript means the results card or detailed mark sheets, DMC. In Pakistan we call it DMC, detailed mark sheet, where they have written all the subjects you have attended or courses you have passed and their GPA or marks or whatever was the criteria to pass this. So आपको जो आपकी ट्रांसक्रिप्ट की जगह DMC होती है, वही आप फिल आउट कर सकते हैं, वही आप भेज सकते हैं. हाँ, अगर आपके पास डिग्री अभी नहीं है, क्योंकि अभी इस साल you got your results very late, so maybe you don't have your degrees for FSC or even for the bachelor's, master's. So आप क्या कर सकते हैं, आप इस स्कूल सर्टिफिकेट की जगह या यूनिवर्सिटी सर्टिफिकेट डिग्री की जगह भी ट्रांसक्रिप्ट आप अपलोड कर सकते हैं. इफ़ यू डोंट हैव दिस एट द मोमेंट, सो इट विल वर्क फाइन. आई नो दिस, देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ केसेस इन द प्रीवियस ईयर्स. They simply upload the transcript or result card, but it should be from either your board for your matric and FSC or 12th grade, or it should be from your university official transcript or official result card from your university. Copy of identification document. You should submit either your ID card if it is in English, or you can submit your passport, like you can upload, or you can submit your any document that can prove your identity and nationality. And you should upload that page has to be uploaded which contains both the personal data and the photography of the photograph of the applicant. Like in Pakistan we have ID card, and on the front page we have all the details: your name, your father's name, your date of birth, your picture and your signatures, and that's it. So one side, or you can submit two sides as well. Acceptance of statement for application in the online system. So this is not anything to write, ये आपको लिखना नहीं है. You will just simply download a document and then you will upload. So all applicants need to accept the statement for application. The statement can only be accepted in the online system, therefore scanned and signed copies should not be uploaded. So there is interesting change. Last year they were asking to upload, this year you will just click on on a box that you accept these statements, and then you will submit your documents or proceed to the next step. So it is simple, it is online, within the online process or the portal. It is available on the portal and you don't have to do anything extra. Medical certificate, it is mandatory only for the applicants nominated by the sending partners, but I should recommend you to submit it at the initial stage as well. You can submit it until the 15th April, बट मैं रिकमेंड करूंगा कि आप ये साथ ही जमा करा दें, तो आपका प्रेशर जो है, बर्डन जो है वो ख़त्म हो जाएगा. अदरवाइज इफ़ यू कैन नॉट गेट दिस मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट, यू कैन सबमिट इट लेटर एज वेल, एंड यू कैन just submit your application without it and then prepare your medical certificate. Medical certificate कैसे होना चाहिए, क्या होना चाहिए, I will give you the details, how it should look like and how you can get it or where you can get it. All the details I will share with you. So these are the documents for the bachelor's, masters and as well as for the PhD. But अब कुछ PhD के लिए extra documents भी हैं, right? So I will explain these documents now. So for the PhD degree, if required by the proposed, so there are, you can find all the information and document for the applicants uploaded. Deadline is 15th January and except for the statement of the supervisor. You need an acceptance letter or statement from a supervisor that he agrees to supervise you as your as masters or as PhD student in his lab or group. That you can upload until the 15th March, but I recommend you to start contacting professors in different universities in Hungary that are considered in this application process, so that you can get this statement of the supervisor in as early as possible, and at the time of submission you can upload. आप अगर upload कर देंगे admission application के time पे, that will give you edge, I hope, because they prefer this. And the medical certificate, which must be submitted by the nominated applicants only until 15th April. So nominated, if you are nominated from the sending partner like from HEC Pakistan, and in India there is a ministry, then you can submit this until the 15th April as well. So for the PhD students, you have online application form, same as it is discussed in the previous in this video earlier. So motivation letter, again, it should be very concise and it should be very brief, minimum 1 page, and then you can take it to 2 page or 1.5 page. Proof of language proficiency, either it should be English language proficiency certificate from your university, or it can be IELTS. If you have IELTS score 6 or more than 6, that is enough. You do not need the certificate from university. You can simply submit the IELTS test score. Then the school certificate means your bachelor's and master's degrees, scanned copy of the original master's degree. And then research plan. This is the most important thing in your application process or application package, that is research plan. You should write minimum 2 pages. How to write research plan? You should go to the Google or YouTube and whatever you want. You should do some search and read about it, how to write it. You got 1 month, so you can easily write it. But within 4 or 3 days you want to write it, it is not possible. So research plan, you should write it minimum at least 10 days. You should spend that writing it and then editing and proofreading and then more things about it. So you can check, lots of things are available for the research plan, and you are mature enough that you can easily go and search and then execute your plans and write it. Letter of recommendation. This letter of recommendation is a signed letter of recommendation from the applicant's former or current academic tutor or a supervisor who has a significant degree and has an insight into the professional work for the applicant. The letter of recommendation must be written in the language of the selected study program or in Hungarian. Mean you can write it in English, and every time you get a recommendation letter, that is written in English. तो आपने क्या करना है, अपने मास्टर्स या बैचलर्स के सुपरवाइजर, मास्टर, if you are applying for the PhD, you should get your recommendation letter from master's supervisor or HOD or any professors in your department. If your supervisor is not willing to give you letter, then only you can move to any other professor or the HOD. So it should be 1 page or 2 page recommendation letter that is highlighting your skills, your strengths, your weakness, and then recommending you for this scholarship program, and that you are hardworking and blah blah blah, whatever he write. But it should be very right, in a good shape. Statement of the supervisor. Statement of the supervisor mean the Hungarian supervisor, the professor from the one of the universities in Hungary और होस्ट इंस्टीट्यूट. तो आपको स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द सुपरवाइजर जो है वो चाहिए हंगरी के प्रोफेसर की, जिस यूनिवर्सिटी में आप अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, एंड दैट डिपार्टमेंट, उस डिपार्टमेंट के प्रोफेसर जो आपको होस्ट करेगा, जो आपका सुपरवाइजर होगा पीएचडी के लिए, that should give you some statement. A statement by the supervisor at the proposed host institution declaring that the supervisor undertakes to supervise the students' work within the doctoral program if required by the doctoral school must be submitted until March 15. And then the transcript, same as previously explained, DMC or detailed mark sheet or result card, mentioning your all previous attended courses and their percentage marks with CGPA whatsoever is there. Copy of identification, same as explained, ID card or passport, whatever. And acceptance of statement, it is online, so you can simply click on it and accept it. Medical certificate only for applicants of study programs where the medical certificate is required, optional for other program, but most of the programs need this medical certificate. It's simple, it's 1 day process, you can easily get it. I will explain how to get it. So I hope I have covered all the documents for the bachelor's, master's and PhD programs, so you can easily go with it, and you can submit your application or prepare your documents for the submission. I will explain next that how you can apply for this scholarship, and then further coming into details of these different letters or statements, and how to prepare medical certificate or motivation letter or the other things. तो मैं आपको बाद में अभी वीडियोस जो आएंगी उनके अंदर डिफरेंट चीज़ें बताऊंगा, जिसके अंदर आपको मोटिवेशन लेटर्स लिखने के बारे में कुछ टिप्स दूंगा, और मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट कैसे बनाना है, एंड अदर थिंग्स, राइट. तो ये सिंपल प्रोसेस है. आई होप यू मस्ट understand this. आपने understand कर लिया होगा, and then you will apply or you can execute the plans. Thank you so much, and keep watching our videos, and if you think this is a good content, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook as well. Thank you so much. Bye bye.